Hi, I'm Mike Auerbach. I'm the editor-in-chief of American Pharmaceutical Review here at Interphex 2026. I'm in the MBV booth. I'm speaking with Ronny Zingre. Ronny, thank you so much for talking to me today. What is MBV and what does the company stand for in today's market?
MBV is a specialist in microbial air sampling. The company stands for Precision, specialized in applications that are needed for a stable, repetitive process that influence the quality of the products, and with that, the patient safety.
What differentiates MBV in the microbial air monitoring market from other companies?
We know the application, we know the customers, and we combine the two into a unique product. But it's not only products and instruments, we also include services that help to extend the lifetime of the product and make it reliable and robust.
What specific problems does your equipment solve for your customers?
Our equipment helps to monitor and identify microbial contamination that is in the air. We do have 3 different ways to do that: active, passive monitoring, or we do it with our partners' equipment, the Rapid C+, in real time. In reality, that means our customers know that their process is under control in an effective and reliable way.
In which industries is the need for precise air monitoring needed most now?
It's clearly in any industry where the air may contaminate your product or has an effect of patient safety. This is mainly in pharmaceutical environments, where there is drug production, for example, compounding pharmacies, in hospital environments, or as well as in food and cosmetics, where we see a very strong demand.
Where do you see the next major innovation in microbial air monitoring?
I see it within microbiology, within the process, but with instruments I see it all around data, how to connect it to your superior system, how to bring all the data that you produce with this excellent instruments into a fast decision that you know is robust and you can rely on. And this is where I see a lot of innovation is going on right now.
What role does calibration, validation, and service play in long-term customer satisfaction?
I think they add to the instrument. On one hand, you have the instrument, the product itself, but then you have all those elements around it that make it a full, complete solution. And I think all these elements together ensure a long life cycle of the instrument, ensures quality, ensures also reliability. And this is why I think all these elements add to customer satisfaction.
How do you ensure that your systems perform reliably under strict regulatory requirements?
Regulatory requirements start at the beginning in an R&D process. We include them already at the beginning. So this really helps us to take it all along the way through the process and bring it out to the customer. We include customer feedback as well, and we seek exchange with the regulatory bodies to ensure that we deliver a product that our customers can use in any regulatory environment.
Which market or industry trends will impact MBV over the next 5 years?
We can see already now that regulatory has one of the big impacts, like Annex 1, where you need to measure continuously. This is one element. But we also see that digitalization, connectivity, how to integrate all the system data that is produced with an instrument, how can I use that and integrate it in my own digital workflow? This is where I see a lot of traction going on. And I think we have answers today in our portfolio, but I also see that there likely will be changes over the next 5 years, and we're ready to tackle them.
Ronny, thank you so much for taking some time out today and answering my questions about MBV and all of its products. If someone is looking for additional information, where can they go? Is there someone they can contact for that information?
The easiest way to contact us is through our website. You go to mbv.ch, and this will be your go-to homepage where you find more information, online meetings, data that you probably need, and also have a reference to our valued partners that we work with.